uDe Villiers ukhulele edolobheni elincane iBurgersdorp eEastern Cape. Waqhama kakhulu kwezemidlalo, ezombusazwe, ezokuvakasha kanye nasebandleni.
My father was ill for a number of months, and so we were able to treat him at home with the assistance of professional care, and that really allowed us to say goodbye individually but also as a family. But despite that, obviously death is always untimely, it's always uncomfortable. Even when you expect it, when it does happen, it's still very painful.
Uchithe iminyaka yakhe eminingi kwezemidlalo nezombusazwe, waba ngukapteni wamaBhokobhoko iminyaka eminingi kuze kube uthatha umhlalaphansi ngo-1970. uDe Villiers waphinde waba ingxenye yezingxoxo ngesikhathi abaholi be-ANC besekudingisweni.
Apartheid was despicable, hurtful, dehumanizing. It will remain like that. Though one of the most intriguing things about sport is that it transcends human divisions of any kind. This occurred during apartheid as we were able to admire maestros of rugby playing under the banner of the white supremacy. Dawie de Villiers is one of those maestros who went to represent apartheid South Africa as a captain and the most distinguished rugby player.
uDe Villiers ushiye emhlabeni unkosikazi wakhe nezingane ezine.